There are three types of vascular bundles, of which first one is called as collateral vascular bundle. VB is vascular bundle here. Now, in this vascular bundle, if it is having what are vascular bundles actually? Vascular bundles are nothing but the strands of xylem and phloem. If there are strands of one xylem and one phloem, then that is called as vascular bundle. Normal rough idea of vascular bundle. So now, what is collateral bundles? If the phloem is towards the upper side and xylem is towards the lower side, then this type of vascular bundle is called as collateral vascular bundle. Okay, and here if the phloem by xylem is there, then it is collateral vascular bundle, and in between here collateral vascular bundle is nothing but if the phloem is towards the outer side and xylem is towards the inner side, then that is collateral vascular bundles. And again, collateral vascular bundles are of two types. Those are collateral open vascular bundles and collateral closed vascular bundle. See here in the diagram we will see normally what is collateral open and what is collateral closed. When we say it is open and closed is when in between xylem and phloem, if you see the presence of cambium tissue, then that is called as, if you see the presence of cambium tissue, then that is called as open collateral vascular bundle. So here CCB is collateral closed vascular bundle, collateral open vascular bundle. Collateral closed vascular bundle, why we are saying is, this is xylem, this is phloem, and there is no demarcation of cambium existence there. So it is a collateral closed vascular bundle, and here we are calling it as open vascular bundle because if it is a xylem, this is phloem, then you can see here brick like layer, that is, this is considered as cambium. Okay, so because of the presence of cambium, you will see that say that it is a collateral open vascular bundle, and in some cases you will also see the presence of bicollateral type of vascular bundle. Now, what is bicollateral vascular bundle here is, as the diagram depicts here, this is phloem, this is phloem, and in between them there is a net like structure we have drawn here, that is xylem. Okay, so two sides we have phloem on two sides of the xylem, and in similar way you have cambium is present on either side of the xylem. This is also one cambium, xylem, cambium. So this type of vascular bundles are called as bicollateral type of vascular bundles. So if I write down here, it will be like phloem, cambium, xylem, cambium, phloem. This is bicollateral vascular bundle. Okay. Now such type of vascular bundles are seen in the family of cucurbitaceae. Cucurbitaceae. Okay. So this is different types of collateral vascular bundles. Collateral vascular bundles are the bundles if the xylem and phloem are arranged in the same radii. If xylem is present towards the downer side and immediately above the xylem, if it is a phloem, then that is called as xylem is facing towards the inner side and phloem is towards the outer side, then those are collateral vascular bundles. Again, these are of two types: open collateral vascular bundle, closed collateral vascular bundle. If there is no cambium in between xylem and phloem, then that type is called as collateral closed vascular bundle. If you have cambium in between the xylem and phloem, then that is collateral open vascular bundle. And if you see the presence of cambium on either side of the xylem and phloem also on either side, then that is called as bicollateral type of vascular bundles. And where we will see this type of vascular bundles are seen in monocots, and these are normal wherever there is secondary growth occurring. If the like dicot stems where you show the presence of dicots, in dicots where there is existence of secondary growth, there is formation of cambium layer, then that type of vascular bundles are collateral open vascular bundles. The second type of vascular bundle is concentric vascular bundle. Here we will be studying about two terms. Those are amphicribal and second one is amphivasal. Now what are these? Amphicribal is if xylem is surrounded by phloem, that is amphicribal. And what is amphivasal? If phloem is surrounded by xylem, X represents your xylem, P represents your phloem. Okay, these are called as amphivasal vascular bundles. And here, as there is no cambium present here, no presence of cambium is seen, so these all are closed concentric vascular bundles. Now where do you see this amphicribal? You will see the presence of amphicribal vascular bundles in fern plants. And amphivasal, these are very rare in occurrence. You will see the presence of medullary bundles. And these types of medullary bundles are seen in some plants like rumex. You will see the presence of medullary bundles. So concentric vascular bundles are those bundles in this type if xylem and phloem are surrounding each other. Then what type of surrounding are there? If xylem and phloem are surrounding each other, then that type is called as concentric vascular bundle. Two types. If xylem is surrounded by phloem, then that is amphicribal, and if phloem is surrounded by xylem, it is amphivasal. These are seen in amphicribal are seen in fern plants. As these type of vascular bundles do not show the presence of cambium, these are called as closed type of vascular bundles. If cambium is present, they will be called as open type. As there is no cambium, so these are closed type of vascular bundles. And these amphivasal are very rare in occurrence, and these are seen in the form of medullary bundles. Example, rumex. Next, another type of vascular bundle is third one, that is radial vascular bundles. Okay, radial vascular bundles are those type of bundles if the arrangement of xylem and phloem is occurring in the form in a radial form or in different radii. Here, for example, you will see the arrangement of xylem and phloem alternating each other. There may be arrangement of xylem and phloem in a alternate manner. Here there are xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem. So this type of vascular bundles are called as radial vascular bundles. And here you will also see the presence of this type of vascular bundles. You will also see in the case of scattered vascular bundles are there. One more type, scattered vascular bundles. This type of vascular bundles are normally seen in the form of in monocots. This is third type of vascular bundle if the arrangement of vascular bundle or xylem and phloem in different radii, and here the xylem appears in the form of V shape. Xylem is V shape, and here the protoxylem is towards the arms and center will be the metaxylem. Okay. In this type of arrangement, the xylem will be in the form of V or Y shaped. If it is in the form of V shaped, the arms of the V will have the protoxylem, and at the base you will have the presence of metaxylem. This will be the protoxylem. Here the base will have the metaxylem. Okay, this is about different types of vascular tissue system or different types of vascular bundles which we will be studying in your syllabus. So when we study about vascular tissue system, we will study about three types of vascular bundles: collateral vascular bundles, conjoint vascular bundles, and radial vascular bundles. There is one more time we are supposed to study, that is called as cambium. So what is cambium? The lateral meristems which are developing during secondary growth. The lateral meristems which form the secondary vascular tissues give rise to cambium. So lateral meristem which give rise to secondary vascular tissue. Vascular tissue is known as cambium. So now here these bundles are present in the plant from the beginning, and at the time of these are present from the beginning, and after the formation of the primary vascular tissue, the portion of the procambium remains as meristematic and undergoes division, and that may lead to the formation of the secondary vascular tissue, and that is nothing but the cambium. Now again, cambium is of two types, those are fusiform and ray initials. Okay. Fusiform initials are sharp with elongated ends, and Raynaud cells are having isodiametric cells with a flat axis. So, cambium is nothing but a type of lateral meristem which give rise to secondary vascular tissue. If it is present in between the xylem and phloem, then that is called as the open type of vascular bundle. Okay. It is formed during the growth of secondary vascular tissue. So, with this we end with the types of tissues which are involved in the vascular tissue system, types of vascular bundles, concentric, collateral, radial, and we were using the term cambium. So, cambium is nothing but if this is occurring here. So, if you see the structure, it will be somewhere like this. It will be having vacuolated protoplasm. You will have pitted cell wall and you will have the nucleus. This might be the rough diagram of the cambium tissue.